Yes, yeah, I am a dissociator too, so I'm aware of it. But the difference is very, very apparent. The state of being at one with the field of awareness is, you're aware of everything. Your awareness is so sharp and open. All the colors, all the smells, the shape of thoughts, the contour of emotion, the pain of pain, the beauty of sadness. Everything is so vivid and alive and simple and delightful and just happening that it's the opposite of dissociation. Dissociation is when you've limited everything down to one or perhaps even none, no things, and you're just blank. Yeah, and sometimes in Zen Buddhism they talk about satori, which is this very sudden experience of that. And I'm sure we've all had experiences where we're suddenly like, oh God, I feel so alive. I feel so awake. I feel like on top of a mountain or watching a sunset, or when you're in love, and everything is like ding, and that's sort of in that tradition. But the satori experiences of that are very profound. But satori experiences don't last forever. They're glimpses, sometimes quite long glimpses, but nonetheless glimpses. The work of the path, the work of Buddhist practice, is to make that a stable and permanent state, and that's a more slow dismantling of all the misperceptions till you rest in what they call pure perception. But it's the opposite of dissociation. Dissociation, you remember, is one of the three false guardians, perhaps the most powerful of all. So it's not about feeling nothing; it's about feeling everything, including what we might label bad stuff as well. It's not suddenly it's all pink fluffy clouds and everything's gorgeous. I mean, it is gorgeous, but bad stuff is gorgeous too, because you see its humanity and its aliveness. This is what we all want to get to. It's not that we all want to be happy, 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 because that would be cloying and annoying after a while, but we want to be awake, awake, awake.